I am really humbled, honestly speaking. It's not, I'm not supposed to say anything, that is the truth. This family has adopted us as their own and also chosen to be at the front line of our struggle. In the Bible, the book said, those that have been chosen or appointed, they are also equipped. And those people that are, in fact, God justified every stage of them. So I believe for that reason too, He has also, even in my very high limitation and my shortcoming, He has looked for a way to short those shortcomings so that I can carry this trouble. I do not see it again. I do not see it again as trouble. That is the truth. Good things don't come easy. And more especially when you have chosen to carry the burdens and to say no because you want the right thing to happen. So I've accepted it. And not just because I want to accept it. I get stronger in this cause every day when I look at the support I'm getting from the true Rivers people. So it's not me being strong. My strength is drawn from every one of you that is here. You give me the encouragement. You do the work for me. You make the calls for me. So why would I stand for you? I will continue to do what is right. Even those, like the Chief Judge said something here, I know what is going through. I know that all the attack, which we can't mention here. But because you're standing on the right side of history, you don't need to have any fear. It might be difficult at the beginning, but it will be fine at the end. I want to thank everyone. I assure you that we will continue to run a government that will uplift the image of the state. We won't be tyrants. Huh? We will remember that what we're doing here today is a shift job, that one day our time will be up and we leave and another takes over. And what is important is to allow the machine to be running effectively, so that when the other person comes in, it continues with that state for progress in the state. So I'll thank every one of you for your support. This is a period of sharing of love. It's the truth. The man of God, when we're having a Thanksgiving on the 30th, said, I think, Dr. Moapai, you will experience in this state Christmas that you have not seen before. And I can say that this year Christmas is better, healthier than the one we had last year. Shows that God is at work. So that alone will continue to strengthen us. So I know that there is nothing God cannot do. In as much as we are doing our own bit, and everyone here also supporting us directly and indirectly, making calls, talking to people, fighting in fronts that we don't even know and see. But we also believe strongly that the ultimate game changer, the ultimate liberator, and the ultimate fighter still remains the God Almighty. And because we have him on our side, victory is assured. He's in control. We're looking forward to a very prosperous 2025, better than what we have experienced this year. That is the wish of this government. Our government is, every year, will make it better than the way we've met it. And I believe strongly with your support, every one of you here, we will record that progress by next year. Let me, again, on behalf of my wife, my kids, and also the host, God will going to honor you, sir. Amen. I told you something one time. How do you measure success? Success is not owning the whole street in Tombia, GRA. The whole house is there. Success is not owning an aircraft. Success is when you sit as a poor man or as a rich man, and the people who surround you gives you happiness, and they make you proud. That is success. Challenge you when we argue. Hey, I say, when you were governor, you're not happy the way you are today. When you sit in, go to the kind of people you're helping, the life you're changing, the people you're will I say, producing, that are going to be great and men and women tomorrow, it gives you joy. When you come back home and you see the performance of your grandchildren, what are you talking about the first generation of your children? What else are you looking for? One of them, each time she goes for every exam, she takes all the award. You'll be laughing. So what else are you looking for? So these are the honors God is giving to you because of all the good things you also done. Whether we like it or not, if you sow wrongly evil, God will also, what you reap is evil. What you have, but when you have that peace that God gives you around. So, son, God will continue to fill your home with love and peace. Amen. And we assure you, with my mommy, it's not easy. We're human beings, but we'll try not to bring anything, do anything that will bring any disgrace to our state or to our person. Thank you.